Hi, I'm Kath from SA Weddings. We're at Webersburg Estate. Let's go and check it out. We joined at Webersburg today, and Marisa is going to show us everything that Webersburg has to offer.
Oh, thank you, Catherine. It's lovely to have you guys here. We're very excited to show you the estate, so let's make our way to the Manor House. Welcome to Manor House 1. So this is our honeymoon suite. It's the suite that we have the bride sleeping in the night before, and obviously the couples a room for the night on the wedding. It is an ensuite. It's got its own bathroom and it's got a lovely bath in it. So it leads out into Manor House that's got 5 rooms in total. They all sleep 2 people per room, so essentially it'll be 10 people in the house, and that normally would be the family or the bridesmaids that's getting dressed with the bride. So this is Manor House lounge space. This is where our hair and makeup will be setting up early on during the morning. The bride, her bridesmaids, the moms, everybody gathers here. It's the best space in the house, of course, because of natural light, and we actually serve them mimosas, MCC in the mornings. And then of course we've got the breakfast and everything, so this is a very good space for the morning.
So Marisa, I know you've got something special for the grooms. Can you tell us about what you offer them?
So we've got 2 venue spaces or 2 rooms that we normally allocate for them. They can either go to the Oak Cottage. There's a nice big space. It's got this lovely lounge area and it's got an outside veranda. So if it's a big group, they can get together, have a drink before they have to get ready, and have like a little bit of a social. Okay. Otherwise, we've got Jonkershuis 4 and 5 available, and that unit is for a smaller group. So if it's only him and 2 groomsmen that's getting ready, it's still nice and spacious and bright and open space.
Now, you're having your wedding at Webersburg. What are the options for accommodation on site?
So we always recommend the couples to take these 3 units, Manor House, Oak Cottage and Jonkershuis, so that they've got used to the biggest part of the property and the swimming pool and everything. Then we've got another 12 units at the back, so if they've got family and friends that wants to come and stay on the property, we've got those units also available for them to make use of. I know a lot of couples or the brides normally takes photos at the pool as well, so it's nice to have it available for those shots later on.
No, it's a lovely addition for that. I mean, off the Manor House and for your guests to relax and enjoy.
Absolutely.
So where are we now?
So we are at the ceremony area, but that I always tell the couples this is where everything happens, and after this you can relax. So ceremony space is outside on the lawn. It's got a beautiful backdrop of the Helderberg Mountains.
Where does the bride come from?
And once the bride's ready and we've got a veil and a dress all poofed up, she comes out of the salle and we've got a big dramatic entrance opening up the salle doors, walking down the aisle.
Stunning.
So it's a big reveal. After we've done our big reveal by the salle doors, everybody gets up and we've got the music cued. This is the aisle that she walks down to, and of course the backdrop is the biggest selling point that we have at the property.
Magnificent.
It's a beautiful view.
Marisa, I'm sure it's quite a big question that most couples ask you. Where can they have their ceremony if the weather turns?
So we do have a beautiful historic cellar on the property. It's got some very old furniture in it that adds to the ceremony area, so we can always seat people inside, and we've got our chairs that's also included with that.
We've just finished the ceremony and we are in walking distance to the canopy area. Do you ever get couples wanting to have the ceremony here?
I have smaller ones. I think the biggest that I've done in a year was 50 people.
So they normally come from ceremony areas down here.
Guests will enter from the glass windows, because we would have a seating plan on this side, and then once the couple is ready, they'll do most of the time like a grand entrance coming down the steps.
How could you not love this beautiful space? I mean, look at this vista backdrop, the mountains, the geese, this beautiful dam in front of us, and easy access to the reception. Let's go and rejoin Marisa and make our grand entrance.
This is our main reception hall.
Okay.
So we can take 160 people in the main venue with a dance floor. Generally the dance floor would be in front of the bar, or we can do it in the middle of the main venue with your seating around the table.
And is it normally round tables, or can you choose?
You can choose.
Oh no, Marisa, it's really stunning. And then at least when you finish, I mean, you've got this beautiful water. Thank you, Marisa, for having us here at Webersburg today and showing future couples what they can experience here.
It's an absolute pleasure, Catherine. It was so much fun showing you around.
We hope you've enjoyed our real-time walkthrough today. If you'd like to find out more, go to saweddings.co.za.